Hi, welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to take a deep look into two aspects. First, we are going to learn how to design a 3D logo on the left side of the screen, as you can see, using our smartphone. Now, upon the successful completion of that particular course within this course and the acquisition of the skill, we are now going to move ahead and then go into the Fiverr platform and learn about freelancing. So we are going to go first with the theory aspect of the 3D logo design, followed by a guided project where you'll be able to follow closely and also design your 3D logo in any shape or aspect or any design theory that you want. Now we are also going to look into the Fiverr platform and learn about account creations, the do's and don'ts of the Fiverr platform, and how you can freelance with the 3D logo skill you have acquired in this course. So now let's go ahead and then have an overview of the Fiverr platform. Great. So with that said, if you should click and then open your Fiverr platform, you are going to see a page like this where you can see the sign in or the join or become a seller. So in the course, we are going to deal comprehensively into all these aspects. Now let's go ahead and then have an overview of something else. Now, if you should click on any gig, and a gig is being explained in the course, or for the purpose of clearance, a gig is just more like a service that you are going to offer. So what you are seeing over here, I will provide clean verbatim transcripts in less than 24 hours, can be regarded as a gig. So now if you should click on any gig, you are going to see at the top over here where there is a heart-shaped icon there, and with a number inside. It can be any number at all. And then how are you going to use it? What is it? So we are going to discuss all this and how you can make sure it favors you in your freelance journey. So now let's go ahead and then have a look at something else. Okay, so among the 3D logos that we are going to design is this one as well. So you have the Jaguar Empire. So you are going to learn how to use your smartphone to design this particular logo as well. Now let's go and then have a look at another. So we have this one as well that says St. Muffin's Eye Care. So all these have been designed with our smartphone, and you're also going to learn it right in this course. So if you are thinking of making a purchase decision, then I'll advise you to go ahead based on what you've seen so far or a couple of the preview videos. And if you have decided to make a purchase of the course, then I'll say very big congratulations to you. See you in the course.